ये वीडियो आगे इसके साथ
present here on this auspicious occasion as we become the part of the great celebration of our nation. Honorable Chief Guest of the day, guests, teachers, respected parents and all my dear friends. My name is Krijesh Chauhan, a student of class 9 from High School Thalela. I stand before you today filled with immense pride and honor, having been offered the opportunity to deliver a speech on a day of the great significance in the history of our nation, Independence Day. ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लहू दे के जिसकी हिफाजत की हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना. Today on 15 August 2026, India celebrates 80 years of independence, which remind us the struggle and sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. For 200 years, India was under British rule and many of people suffered. After a long and difficult fight, India finally became free on 15 August 1947. How India got its freedom? The path toward freedom is not an easy one. It was a winding road paved with the blood, sweat and tears of our great hero and heroines. India's fight for freedom started with many struggles, including the revolt of 1857, in which the leader like Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmi Bai stand up against British rule. Later, the movement like Quick India Movement 1942, Salt March 1930 united against British rule. Many leaders played important roles. Mahatma Gandhi led a peaceful protest and inspired millions. Subhash Chandra Bose formed a national army to fight for freedom. On this day, we also remember the sacrifices of countless ordinary countrymen who endured immense hardship, facing imprisonment, torture, and even the death for the cause of freedom. Their stories are often untold, which is a great reminder of collective spirit which drove India towards freedom. India's growth and achievements. Since 1947, India has made a great progress in many fields. Economy, it is expected that India will be fourth largest economy in the world. Sports, India has won many Olympic medals and performed well in cricket, hockey and badminton. I think you are also quite familiar with the name Sheetal Devi from Kishtwar, who won gold medal in archery. Even after independence, India is facing numerous problems like caste discrimination, poverty and illiteracy which hinder our national progress. I think you know about the apartheid separation of black people in Africa, but we are happy and lucky that we born in a democracy. As a responsible citizen of India, it is our primary responsibility to respect the values enshrined in our great constitution. As a student, we can also help by studying well, keeping our environment clean and respecting our country. At the end of my speech, let us take a pledge today to work hard, make India a better nation and make India a better country. देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश का मान है. जिस देश में सब एक समान है, उस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है, उस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत.